Hey guys, it's Beth, and today I'm back to announce a new collaboration that I'm going to host for the month of November, and it is a Christmas crafty collaboration. Christmas crafts, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to call it, but like a Christmas crafts type collaboration. And basically all you do is you pick one pad or one collection, doesn't have to be a pad, it can be a collection, that is Christmas themed. And you will work on that pad for the month of November. You don't have to use it up, but you have to make at least 4 projects with it. Because what we'll do is each Sunday in November, we will share a project, a Christmas project that you made with that pad. And it can be, the projects can be anything that you need to make, because the point of this collaboration is to kind of give us a jump start on some of the Christmas projects that we're going to need to be, going to need to have done in December. So it can be Christmas cards, it can be craft show items that you're working on, it can be stocking stuffer type items, or gifts for coworkers, or decorations, whatever it is that you are needing to make for Christmas time for yourself or for your business. And I just thought it would kind of give us a jump start on it. And the one challenge I have for this collaboration is that you not go out and buy a new Christmas pad for the collaboration. We all have Christmas pads or collections in our stash, I'm sure. If you've already bought some recently, that's fine. We won't count that. But don't go out after you hear about this collaboration opportunity and buy a new pad just for the collab. That is my one challenge for you. But other than that, the point is just to kind of, like I said, give us a jump start on what we need to do for, the Christmas holidays, 1, and 2, to help us use up some of that paper in our stash. Like you said, you don't have to use up the whole pad. That's not the point. The point is just to use some of it. So every Sunday in November, you would post a project that you have made with that pad. And this collaboration is open for YouTube, for Instagram, and Facebook. So I'm sure you are all on one of those social media platforms. So you can either post your project on the Sundays on YouTube through a video, you can post a picture on Instagram, or you can post a picture on Facebook. So hopefully that covers kind of the range of where everybody hangs out on social media. And there are 4 Sundays in November, so you would just need to make 4 projects. And then the first Sunday, I believe, is the 3rd, according to the calendar. So yeah, so November 3rd would be the first day that you would have to post a completed project. I don't know if you guys have any additional questions, but I am very excited about this just because there's a lot of Christmas crafting that I need to do, both for my craft shows and for myself. So I am going to tackle the Cozy Lodge pad. It is a Recollections pad from 2015. So this is the pad that I'm going to be working on. I have some fun things that I would like to do with it. And this is going to be in addition to my next Collab project, so I'm not focusing on, using this whole one up in November. I would like to use it up at some point, but it may not be my focus for November. I'm going to focus on another Christmas pad. But this is also a pad that I want to use because, like I said, I have some fun ideas for it. So this will be the one that I would post a new project for, each Sunday in November. And your project can be a single project, it can be a group of projects. Like if you've made a group of Christmas cards, you can show them all on, one Sunday. Or if you've made one treat box, you can show that. Just try to make it a different project that you're showing each of the 4 Sundays. If you would like to participate in this Christmas crafts collaboration, let me know by commenting in the comments below with that you want to participate, and then give me your email address and what platform on social media you would be participating on. Because depending on where you're going to post your projects, I will send you information specific to that platform. So whether it be YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, let me know that, and for sure leave me your email address so I can contact you with that information. But like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. I just wanted to kind of come out with this now so you guys had a little while to think about what pad or collection you would like to use. You can kind of go through your stash, see what you have, and then kind of get some ideas since the first project would be due on November 3rd. So that's still kind of a quick turnaround, but hopefully, you can always pick an easy project to start with. But if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you guys are interested in participating. I know I'm excited to kind of get that, help me jumpstart some of the Christmas holiday type crafting that I need to do for all the different things going on. So I hope you guys would like to join me in this. If so, let me know. But I thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you're having a crafty week.